In the last set of example, we have ClO₄ minus. Find the oxidation state for Cl. So it's going to be Cl plus 4 times minus 2, because the oxidation number for oxygen is minus 2, or equal to minus 1, because the charge for this compound is minus 1. So you have Cl minus 8, because 4 times minus 2 is minus 8, equal to minus 1. Cl, add 8 on both sides. So it's going to be Cl minus 8 plus 8 equal to minus 1 plus 8. Minus 8 cancels out 8. So you have Cl equal to minus 1 plus 8 will give you plus 7. So the oxidation state for ClO₄ minus for chlorine in ClO₄ minus compound is going to be plus 7. What would be the oxidation number for nitrogen in N₂O₄? Is going to be 2N plus 4 times minus 2, or equal to 0. 2N minus 8 equal to 0. 2N minus 8 plus 8 equal to 0 plus 8. 2N equal to plus 8. Divide both sides by 2 so that you can get the oxidation state for nitrogen is going to be plus 4. The sulfur in H₂SO₄ is going to be 2H plus sulfur plus 4 oxygens equal to 0. So it's going to be, the oxidation state for hydrogen is plus 1. So it's going to be 2 times plus 1 plus sulfur, because we don't know the oxidation state for sulfur, plus 4 times oxygen, which is minus 2, equal to 0. So it's going to be 2 plus sulfur minus 8 equal to 0. 2 minus 8 is minus 6. So it's going to be sulfur minus 6 equal to 0. This gives you that sulfur has an oxidation of plus 6. Feel free to give it a try, and let's see. For the last question, I want you to try, okay? So pause the video and give it a try. The oxidation state for copper is plus 2. Give it a try and comment your answer below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time in the next video.
Think, learn,